Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to make your own personal travel blanket. I'm making mine out of fleece because it's so easy and so quick. And what I like about fleece is it comes in a variety of solid colors and prints. You can make this from all ages, from small children up to adult size. So let's get started. When you purchase fleece, it's anywhere from 50 inches wide to 60 inches wide. Your width is measured from selvage edge to selvage edge. When you purchase your fleece fabric off of the bolt, it's folded in half with the selvage edges together. So here is your fold line. Before you cut the width of your fleece blanket, make sure you trim this edge straight. Then cut your blanket anywhere from 40 to 50 inches wide. So from this raw edge, go over and do your cut. Then you're going to cut your selvage edges off. Leave your selvage edges folded together. Then cut your selvage edges off. So I like using a rotary cutter on mine because I get a cleaner edge and it's just really quick. So go ahead and cut your selvage edges off. Still keep your fabric folded in half and get something round from your kitchen. I'm using just this round plastic bowl. We're going to round the corners, and that's real easy to do. Just place the edge of your bowl against the two sides. You can either draw around it and then cut it off, or I'm always in too big a hurry. I'm just going to use my rotary cutter, and then I'm going to cut the selvage edges, corners, round. Then go to the opposite corner and cut your last two corners round. Fleece on the raw edge does not unravel, so technically you could just leave it as it is. But if you want a really nice finished look, I recommend you fold the edge over a 1/2 inch and then do a zigzag stitch along the edge. If you have a computerized sewing machine, you probably have a zigzag stitch that looks something like this. It goes over and stitches one stitch, then it comes out this way, stitches two, goes back stitching two, and then repeats. That is the stitch that I'm using on my machine. You can use really any zigzag stitch. So if you do not have a computerized sewing machine, then use whatever zigzag stitch you have. Here's just a little piece of scrap fleece fabric, and I'm using really dark threads so that you can see the stitches. So this little single stitch that's out here, let me get my little pointy thing, this one here is on just one layer of fabric. And then here's your raw edge that's folded over. So all of these other stitches that go at a zigzag shape are on top of this. When you're going around the corner, I recommend that you pin your corners down because it's going to be a lot easier to stitch, and I would have your pins fairly close together. Here is what it looks like on the front side after stitching, and this is what it should look like on the back side. From your leftover fleece, you're going to cut a strip from selvage edge to selvage edge that is 2 inches wide. So place your 2-inch line on your ruler on this raw edge here. So take your time lining it up so that you have it nice and straight, and then begin cutting your strip. You can leave the selvage ends on if you like, because my selvage ends aren't that noticeable. So I'm going to leave mine on. So take your strip and fold it over once, and then fold it over again, and then stitch with your zigzag stitch right over that raw edge. This is what it looks like on the front, and then here's the back. Fold the blanket in half, and these are the two longest edges. Then fold it in half again, starting at one end, then begin rolling it up all the way down. Fold the tie in half and take the fold and place it in the middle on one edge, like that, and then place a pin through just one layer of the blanket and put it there. Then at your sewing machine, stitch back and forth several times along here to reinforce it. Then flip it over and tie it, and then you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thanks for watching and happy sewing. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the bell so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is Scotty, and this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!